is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go on and hit that button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We would be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Our video on today, we will be unboxing December Boxyluxe. Y'all know I am always excited when it's BoxyCharm, Boxyluxe time. I'm ecstatic about that, okay? And so, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm Ultimate, or is it BoxyCharm Plus? Let me tell you, so many of them, they just kind of like cross over. And also, BoxyCharm Deluxe, which is Boxyluxe. Y'all gotta get with the program. The boxes have been amazing, and I'm so excited to jump into this box. But the prices of the boxes have gone up. I will list them above, and without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, now the Boxyluxe is always jam-packed. That's the one that has like 9 products in it. Now, just because I said that'll be 8 or 10, but it has 9 products in it, okay? And the variation that I have this month, oh, I guess I should tell you what the theme is, which is Whimsy. Can you see that? Okay, that is the December Boxyluxe theme. And I have variation 12, see, right there. Okay, now, they always list the product first that they put in the bottom of the box. So I'll come back to that. I'm just going to go from what's on the top, okay? Well, the first item that I have is Saturday Skin. Okay, and this one is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. Now, one of the best things about a BoxyCharm and all of its, look at that. Can you see that even? One of the best things is that every item in here is a full-size product. So that I'm very, very happy about. But we're going to take just a little bit of this and see what this is like. Now, I did leave a message previously on one of my videos to ask you what it is that you would like to know about in each unboxing. And so still below, whatever it is that you want to see in an unboxing, whatever information you want to have, just let me know below, and that is what we will incorporate. Now, I must say, there is no scent. There is no scent, which I can appreciate in many cases. Now, this one, the packaging is gorgeous. It has like a water drop, an iridescent water drop there on the top. This is the writing on the packaging. Let's see. Now, our directions on how to use this product. It says, Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an upward circular motion, tapping the moisture into the skin. Okay? So this is product number 1. We're off to a pretty good start. All right, the next item we have is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. Their packaging is always beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And this one is the Confetti Highlighter. Now, this is the actual packaging here. Okay. And, oh, that's quite interesting. It does have a full-size mirror on the inside. And this is what the highlighter itself looks like. Now, our description card says, achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $32. So I just happen to have my highlighter brush handy. We're going to go ahead and sweep it across. And let's just... what do we think? It's not taking over my face, making me look super shiny. Okay, so that is product number 2. The next item that we have is the Fresh Soy Face Cleaner. Now this box has been through it, but hopefully we don't have any issues with the product. So let's just check it out and see. Nope. This is still in good shape. And our description card says, this gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $40. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $48. Package does come sealed, and I have numerous cleansers, and I'm actually working on something right now. So this one will not be opened as of yet, but it says an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup. The multitasking formula also works to tone, soothe, and soften the skin for a radiant, healthy looking complexion. It says just wet skin and massage over face and eyes, then rinse. And our next product that we have is the packaging on the inside looks exactly like the packaging on the outside. And our description card says, experience effortless wing liner looks with an innovative eyeliner, especially engineered for easy application on any eye shape, making dagger tattoo liner ideal for all makeup junkies. Okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $20. Alright. Here we go. There's our liner. Effortless indeed. Okay, and moving right along, the next product that we have is the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. Here is the outer packaging and gorgeous inside packaging. Here is the inside and outside together, and that's a beautiful shade. This one is in the shade Crazy Rich. Right there. And it looks like that. I might even put it over top of what I have on. We'll see. Now, our description card says, sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this high shine gloss that brings dimension to lips with an innovative, cushiony, and comfortable texture enriched with mineral oil. Enriched with natural oils. Okay. The unique blend of light reflecting glitters and pearls offer the ultimate rich effect. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $21. Oh, I like the way that makes it look. Beautiful. Beautiful. So if it looks like this with something, I can only imagine what it's going to look like by itself. Okay. Make sure you tell me down below what you think, okay? Now, moving right along, the next item that I have is by the company Rituals. Okay, y'all looking at this, it looks like it should be a hairspray, right? Guess what? It's not. It says this is the Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. Give your skin the gift of a new beginning with a foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. It uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky soft cleansing foam. Lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap, taking a moment to slow down and renew your energy. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $9. Oh, that smells so, I'm sorry, it's $9.50. Oh, this smells really nice. Okay, okay. Love it, love it, love it. That smells wonderful. Now, we're going back to the beginning. Why? Because that product, oh my God, I thought I was finished. I received the AQMS Lip Line Corrector. Okay, now this happens to be the item that I chose. Okay, I had the opportunity to pick one of the items and I chose this one, and this is the Lip Line Corrector. Okay, now this says formulated exclusively for upper lip area, Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Now, I tell y'all all the time, my lips are big enough. I don't need stuff like that. Well, I didn't choose it for myself. So let me just say that. Okay, just so you know, because I don't want you to remind me of what I said. I do remember, but I did choose this item for someone else. Okay, and the last item that I have is by a Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. This is some beautiful packaging. Okay, Love the book form. I am a avid reader, and I do love this. This is not very travel friendly because it's very large. However, I like it. Now, this says Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose. Is that what I have? Yes, Little Briar Rose eyeshadow storybook palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl eyeshadows. The cruelty-free long wear buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. Manufacturer suggested retail price of this product is $55. Now, the shades are fantastic. When you open it up, of course it has a mirror, okay? There's a mirror inside. And there's also a saying that said, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, and that is by Hans Christian Andersen. Now here are our shades. Those are our shades, and they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Here are my swatches. I've swatched Spindle, Prince, Beauty, and Kiss. These shades are beautiful. Okay, I'm looking forward to playing in these. I may or may not have purchased an extra one, maybe possibly for a giveaway. So stay tuned, we'll see. The Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin, and it filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexions. Okay, I am here for it. Okay, I do hope that you enjoyed this video on today. I hope that I have given you the information that you feel you needed to have, so that you could tell if you liked, loved, or was just in that kind of mood for you about this box. However, I must admit, I absolutely love it. Now, I do thank you for spending time with me on today. Boxyluxe was amazing. I'm telling you, I enjoyed it. I will also show you the manufacturer suggested retail price of every item included in this box, okay? So that you will see just how far $49.99 has taken you. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Until next time.